Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EDC. Coming at you with a tabletop review from one of my favorite knives is the Leatherman Crater series. These are almost all but discontinued. However, you can still find them on the aftermarket. It still shows for sale on the Leatherman website. It's actually on sale right now for about $29. Normally runs about 45, but it shows it unavailable. But let's get into it a little bit and show you some of the nicer things about it. It boasts 4 tools. You've got a main blade. You've got a Phillips driver, a real nice 3D Phillips driver there. You have if I can do this without cutting myself, because this thing is like razor sharp, man. You got a flat tip here, which is a nice little pry bar. You've got a pocket clip. It only goes on one side, or you can't change it to any different positions. So that's something to keep in mind. None of these lock in place, but they do lock in pretty solid. The knife locks in place with a liner lock. See that? It comes over very nice. It also has a tool on the back. It's called what do they call that thing? It's like a blade launcher, they call it. And it's a little bit hard to do on camera here, but it makes it easy to get that blade out. It's a fun fidget tool when you got a little room. But it also has a thumb stud, whichever way you prefer to bring your blade out. I don't know if you can see that back here. It just rides up against the blade in there and just pushes it out, and then momentum takes over for the rest of it. But and if you can see, I don't know if you can see that, the camera will focus. It shows you what the model is there, C33T. They also make other models. This is just the C33. This one doesn't have any tools except for the carabiner, which is also on this one. And, it's a bottle opener. You have to press down on that and then pull it back, and it'll go back in place. Size comparison, there's your Swiss Champ. Here's a buck right here. And, the blade in comparison is pretty close. It's got a, the weight on it is real good. It's very light. It's 3.19 ounces or 90 grams. Closed length is almost 4 inches. The blade length is 2.6 inches. So, almost a 3-inch blade, a little over 2.5 inches. You can see that in comparison to this buck here. But the 91 millimeter Swiss Victorinox is similar in blade length. It's got a nylon coating. Feels really good in the hand, and the pocket clip doesn't really cause you any of a hot spot. I mean, it's got a little indentation here for your finger, gives you a good grip on it. It is a little thick, but it's lightweight enough that you really don't feel it in your pocket so much. And here's that carabiner I was showing you, same as the other one. You just have to press down on that and pull that back. I think it's fold up. Some of the other models they made was the C33T has a straight blade. The C33TX has a combo blade. They have the Esquire or Expanse E33L Had the 154 steel on it, 154 CM blade steel. I believe the original series was called a C304. So, you know, it's been around for a while. Like I said, however, they still show them on the website. Right now they're on sale for $29. However, they're showing them unavailable, you know, so, but if you get a chance to pick them one up, you know, I highly recommend them. They're a fun knife. I call it, it's a good working man's knife, you know, just some good basic tools on it, easy to carry in your pocket, great to have on the job site. But that's the Leatherman C33T. And get a chance, pick one up. I don't think you'd be disappointed. Once again, this is John with Space City EDC. Hope you guys are having a great day. And if you like this content, please like and subscribe. I come out with these videos about once a week, trying to go over new stuff and look at things that might work on someone's EDC. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.